5 Burger King workers charged with fraud. Farmer caught on camera inside woman's house after break-in. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Lawmen assigned to the Fraud Squad unit have charged 5 Burger King employees with larceny as a servant, conspiracy to defraud, and engaging in transaction involving criminal property last Wednesday. Charged are 36-year-old Terrian O'Aro, cashier of 9 Mile Bull Bay, St. Andrew, 39-year-old Camellia Wisdom, supervisor of Amberg Road, Kingston, 22-year-old Astia Mitchell, cashier of 7 Mile Bull Bay, 39-year-old Sharon Williams, cashier of Bayshore Park, Arborview, Kingston 17, and 21-year-old Christina Lewis, cashier of Glass Pole Avenue, Kingston 2. According to the police, between December 2022 and March 2023, the employees reportedly stole an undetermined sum of money from the establishment. A report was made to the police on Sunday, April 2, resulting in their arrest on the same day. They are scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday, May 12. Further investigations, including an audit, are being conducted to verify the actual extent of the fraud, the police stated. A 27-year-old farmer has been arrested and charged with house break-in and larceny regarding an incident in Lawan housing scheme in St. Elizabeth on February 25th. He is Jermaine Findlay, a farmer of Rocky Hill District, also in the parish. Reports from the Black River Police are that about 3 p.m., a woman securely locked her house and left. Upon her return, she discovered her house was broken into and several properties were stolen. She reported the incident to the police. Findlay was identified by the police on the surveillance camera inside the woman's house and was arrested and charged on April 10th. A court date is being finalized, the police stated.